viewers, welcome to NEET family. I am Sreyosee with biology. At first, I would like to thank you all for all of your love and support. If you are watching our videos on YouTube, do subscribe our channel. If you are watching our videos on Facebook, do follow our page. You will find us on Instagram also. On Instagram and Facebook, you will find MCQs on different subjects. So do follow our page and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Today, I am going to describing about kingdom Monera. This kingdom Monera consists of all the prokaryotes and their sole member is bacteria. Bacteria are the most abundant microorganism. If we describe the structure of bacteria, in the structure of bacteria we will find a plasma membrane, cell wall, and in some of the bacteria they have an external capsule, and there you will find sometimes they have mesosome. This mesosome is nothing but invagination of the plasma membrane which helps bacteria for their respiration, and this is their cytoplasm, their chromosome. Though they are prokaryotic in nature, they don't have any nucleus, so their chromosome is naked in the cytoplasm. They have inclusion bodies. You will find ribosome. You will find ribosome in both the prokaryotic as well as in the eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, these ribosomes are 80S, and in prokaryotic cell, these ribosomes are 70S. And some fat globules. Now, based on shape, bacteria are mainly 4 types. These are coccus, which are spherical in shape, bacillus, which are rod shaped or cylindrical in shape, vivrium, comma shaped, spirillum, spiral shaped. Though bacteria is simple in structure, but they are complex in behavior. Most extensive metabolic diversity is seen in bacteria. If we divide bacteria according to their nutrition, there are mainly 2 types. First is autotrophic. Autotrophic means they synthesize their own food from inorganic substrates, and this autotrophic bacteria is both photosynthetic and chemosynthetic type. And the second type is heterotrophic, means they don't synthesize their own food, and for food they are depend on other organisms or on dead organic matter. Now, a special type of bacteria which is called Archaebacteria. Archaebacteria means those bacteria which are live in extreme habitats, like in extreme salty area they are called as halophils. In hot spring they are called thermoacidophils. In extremely hot areas they are called thermophils. In marshy areas they are called as methanogens. All these Archaebacteria have a different cell wall structure which is responsible for their survival in extreme condition. Again, in these methanogens, are present in the gut of several ruminant animals like cows, buffaloes, and responsible for production of methane, which is called known as biogas, from the dung of these animals. Now the Eubacteria, which are known as true bacteria, they have cell wall and flagellum if they are motile, and other structures like bacteria, and depending on the nutrition they are mainly three types or two types, mainly autotrophic and heterotrophic, and under autotrophic they are both photosynthetic and chemosynthetic. So if we discuss about the photosynthetic autotrophs, the photosynthetic autotrophs like Cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. This blue-green algae or Cyanobacteria has chlorophyll A similar to green plants and are responsible for photosynthesis. And these Cyanobacteria are unicellular, colonial or filamentous. They live in fresh water or marine water. The colonies are generally surrounded by gelatinous sheet. They often form blooms in polluted water bodies. Some of these organisms can fix atmospheric nitrogen in specialized cells called heterocysts. Examples are nostoc, anabina, etc. Now, chemosynthetic autotrophs. Chemosynthetic autotroph bacteria oxidize various inorganic substances like nitrates, nitrites, and ammonia and use the released energy for their ATP production. They also play a great role in recycling nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, and sulfur. Now, the heterotrophic bacteria. They are the most abundant in nature. The majority are important decomposers. Many of them have a significant impact on human affairs. They are helpful in making curd from milk, production of antibiotics, fixing nitrogen in legume, roots, etc. Some are pathogens causing damage to human beings, crops, farm animals, and pets. Chlorella, typhoid, tetanus, citrus canker are well-known diseases caused by different bacteria. Now, the reproduction of bacteria. Bacteria mainly reproduces by fission. Fission is nothing but division of bacteria. There, one bacterium is divided by fission and it produces two daughter bacteria. Let's draw. This is the bacterial DNA. This is the cell wall. This is the plasma membrane and cytoplasm. From this, this is known as fission, and fission results into two daughter bacteria. Another method is production of spore. Under unfavorable conditions they produce spores. Another is DNA transfer. This is a sort of sexual reproduction by adopting a primitive type of DNA transfer from one bacterium to the other. In kingdom Monera, there are another organisms called Mycoplasma. They completely leg, cell wall. These are the smallest organism, and they can survive without oxygen also, and some of these are pathogenic to human as well as for animal. So there is a structure of mycoplasma. They completely lack cell wall. So this is the plasma membrane. This is their DNA, ribosome, and cytoplasm. Hope you will like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. If you are watching our videos on YouTube, to subscribe our channel. If you are watching our videos on Facebook, to follow our page. You will find us on Instagram also. Thank you.